Now we will see some scientific researches and the findings about the fiesta. There are 2-3 group of people who did research on this fiesta. What happens, why, how, side effects, after effects, all these things. Let me give you the gist of the discovery, our findings. First thing, average human being, normal human being, undergoes at least 6 times every day. In every 24 hours, minimum 6 times, we all undergo fear stroke. I really thought 6 times is too much. It cannot be. But they say, after doing research, average is 6 times. Of course, there will be less and high, there is different. Average is 6 times. Maximum is 12 times. And second thing, you do not, actually we don't record, that is the problem. It's not that we don't undergo, we undergo it. When your cell phone rings, alarm rings, meditation mode, and when you see the result, and exactly you will miss your number. It always happens. When you see your exam result, you exactly skip your number. The front number you will see, back number you will see. For 1 second, you will skip your number. There are so many things. Next thing they say, every fear stroke shakes your nervous system. Understand this example? It's like shaking the rose plant. How it will be? Just like that. Your whole nervous system is shaken. Third thing, depressive chemicals are released. Your immune system is weakened. Depressive chemicals are released and your immune system is weakened. Fourth thing, that is the main thing. They say the aging process is quickened. Aging process is quickened. You can see many people, even at their 40, they will look like a 70. There are some people, even at 70, they will look like a 40. It's because of fear stroke. And they say one strange thing. As such, parts of the human body is designed to function perfectly for 300 years. You may be shocked, but they say every part individually has got the capacity to run minimum 300 years. I'll tell you the solid proof which I myself have seen. I was in Potala Monastery. Many of you have been there in Tibet. The border of Tibet. Tibet and Nepal border. Nepal-Tibet border. Potala Monastery. Have you heard of it? Where the lamas live. Of course, Dalai Lama never lives there. He used to live there. It is the residence of Dalai Lamas. Now the lamas are living. Dalai Lama is here in India. I went there. To enter to Nepal, you don't need passport or visa, anything. Indians don't need anything. From there, if you are a monk, you can go with monks to the Potala Monastery. It's not a monastery, it's a palace. Palace, it looks like a palace, but it's called as monastery. Anyhow, when I was staying there, they told me, Swamiji, here lamas live for a long time. If you want to meet, you can go there and meet. They showed me a monk, lama. He was working on field. He was doing some agriculture work. I went and asked him, Swamiji, I heard that you are a very elderly person. Why don't you share some of your experiences with me? What? I'm old. No. There are so many elderly people than me. I'm just middle age. I'm only 136. I'm only 136. Actually, scientifically, he has got a clear record of his date of birth, everything. He's 136. He's working in the field. I was shocked to hear. I asked him, how Swamiji, how? He says, why? From the young age we are taught human being means their life is 300 years. From the very young age, they are taught, they are hypnotized only for 300 years. We people are hypnotized for 80 to 100 years. He says, from the very young age, we see our elders' tombs, it is written 350, 250, 300 years. So from the very young age, our mind is trained. We know that we are going to live for 300 years. I was shocked. How can this be true? But when I saw, I can't do anything else except believing. Human body, every part of our body is designed to live for 300 years, to function for 300 years. The fear stroke, that's a strange thing they say. If you get 6 fear strokes per day, that one day is called the day of fear stroke, the 6th fear stroke. If you get 6 fear strokes per day, 40 hours of your life is reduced. 40 hours of your life is reduced. Then I understood why we live only 80 to 100 years. Why our life is reduced. We all say because of death, fear comes. Scientists are telling because of fear, death comes. You see, you all think why fear comes? Because of death. You always claim because of death only fear comes from. But scientists are telling because of fear, death comes. You are inviting death. You are reducing your lifespan 170%. Means 40 hours if you live a day with 6 fear stroke. You all should understand, fear stroke is not restricted only to the waking time. Even in the dreams you get fear stroke. Am I right? Many of you get fear stroke even in the dreams. So every 24 hours, if you get 6 fear stroke, 170% means 40 hours of your life is reduced. Now we know the dangers of fear stroke. How to avoid, how to go beyond. How to avoid, how to go beyond. Again, coming to a balance is not a big thing. See, once you get a fear stroke, in 2 seconds you become alright. But that is not a big thing. The very stroke itself is a danger. The very stroke is a danger. Let us analyze what exactly happens at the time of fear and fear stroke. What happens?
I have experienced fear stroke in dreams.
Yes. What happens?
Like I feel as if I'm dropping
Yes.
rock.
As if you fall from the car, fall from the well. You will have a dream as if you are falling into the well and you fall from the cart.
Exactly. That several times a day.
Okay. Now what happens inside your system, I am asking.
Some sort of
Shaking, then sweating, then heart rate increases, then sudden jerk, then trembling, then headache, then then stomach upset.
because of sudden flow of adrenaline.
That's what.
All these things they are
Important thing all of you have forgotten. Huh? Your logic loses its balance. Because of the adrenal release, your logic loses its balance. Your intellect loses its balance. Once the moment intellect loses its balance, all these things happen. The first and main effect is intellect loses its balance.
Disorientation.
What is fear? Because of the adrenal release, if your logic loses its balance, that's what we call fear and fear stroke. If your logic can manage more amount of adrenal release, you are called courageous one. For some people, even little bit of adrenal release will imbalance them. For some people, even more amount will not imbalance them. They will be very balanced. For some people, even a cockroach is enough to imbalance them. Even just a cockroach is enough. How many are afraid of cockroach? Raise your hands, let us see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. What is this? You are not raising your hand. Both of them are telling. Bring a cockroach. Then here this side. Okay. Some people lose their balance just by a cockroach. There are few people, they don't lose their balance even if they see their wife. What is fear and what is courage? How much of adrenal release you are able to bear? How much your logic is centered or balanced in the moment of adrenal release. That is what decides whether you are courageous or coward. Let us not bother about outside reasons. Even if the outside reason is a big thing, there are people who are courageous and bold. Even if the outside reason is very small, there are few people who just collapse and fall. It is inside experience, the fear and strength. Now you understand. If you are able to maintain your balance, even at the time of more adrenal release, you become courageous. You become person with power and strength. You go beyond fear stroke. How to do that? How to do that? That's a beautiful technique from Vedanta. There is an Upanishad called Kathopanishad, which speaks on death and death fear. Every Upanishad deals on different subject. This Upanishad deals on death and death fear. 7-year-old boy goes to face the death. The meditation technique is from that Upanishad. Understand, now you have so many fears. You try your best to suppress them. You never face them. You always suppress them. That is why they continuously torture you. They continuously torture you. Let us all first analyze the fears. What are all the fears you have? The causes for fear. Please list out. There must be so many fears in every one of us. Some reason for fear. Death fear.
Yeah, death fear is the main.
That's okay. Okay. Let us go to somebody else. Tell me, list one by one. Fear of cockroach.
Heavy lightning.
Huh? Heavy lightning. Then snake bite. Then height phobia. Then
Fear of examination.
examination. Fear of failure. Fear of losing wealth and comforts. Fear of losing the health. Fear of stage fear. Then water. That's a wonderful technique to lose the stage fear. Get huh? Tell me what is the technique.
I'm not very sure, but that's known as the second most after fear of
Death.
people have the fear of public speaking.
Oh, is it so? I'm surprised.
No, again,
See, if you just close your eyes and visualize whomsoever sitting in front of you are. See, I never said. Then you lose all fear. But you cannot so easily visualize. People are not fools. You see, cat always thinks if it closes the eyes, the whole world will become dark. That's why the cat, when it comes for stealing the milk, it will close its eyes. It will feel very comfortable. By closing the eyes, it feels nobody sees it. So, just by closing eyes, you cannot think. Whole world has become fool. Then any other fears? Darkness. Then in our own house, we know nobody else is there. But once it becomes night 10 o'clock, you will not walk all over the house. No? Only bedroom and that's all. And especially if you feel like drinking a little water and you walk near the kitchen, towards the kitchen, suddenly you see a screen moving. Or that time only when one cat will it go? It's time. That's all. Huh? Any other fears? Sixth sense. What is sixth sense? Nonsense. Huh? No. Sixth sense, if it is awakened properly, it will never give fear. It will give only more settledness. If you are playing with sixth sense and all, then it's a trouble. I tell you, understand, never play with mystical powers. Sixth sense, the invoking the ghost, calling the spirits, and the coin, all those, please never involve yourself in all those things.